Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review for the iPad Pro 11-inch. Now, a lot of people have been asking about the actual absence of the 3.5mm headphone adapter, and this has actually been a big problem for some people because people still have headphones they would like to use with this awesome tablet. So as you can see, I'm turning it all the way around. There is no headphone adapter nowhere on this thing. So Apple has made it to where you're going to have to either A, purchase an adapter from them. I think it costs you about 10 to 15 bucks, or B, you're going to have a pair of these or some type of Bluetooth headphone device. What I'm going to introduce to you today is from a company. You can find them on Amazon. This is Dreamvasion. They actually make these cool little adapters. Now, this is on one side USB Type-C, other side 3.5mm headphone, and another USB Type-C for charging. So in theory, if you're plugging this in, you are going to get audio output as well as be able to charge your tablet at the same time. They also make this cool adapter, this extender. So it's going to be able to extend your original cable, USB Type-C input and a USB Type-C output. You're going to get that extension. This is about 6 feet. You're going to get that extension so you can charge your device and have your headphones on at the same time. So if you still have some of these Apple earbuds, 3.5mm headphone adapter right here, you can still use them with this tablet. So I'm going to leave a link below to these two devices, the actual USB Type-C, the 3.5 headphone adapter, and the extender. You can go by and pick those up. Hope this is able to help someone. Be sure and leave that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.